Hi everyone, today is the fourth day of our 8th Holding Print channel, and I'm Frank from Shanghai Printing, and what I'm going to do now is to introduce to you our paper box and board forming machine. So this is the machine that you use in order to make your paper boxes and your boards. And next we're going to have a look at the running of the machine. So first we're going to run the machine in order to explain to you the whole process of the forming. So first we have the fitting. As you can see here, we have the fitting of our die cut. Our die cut paper is being fed into the machine, then stacked. You can have a closer look at the stacking. We check if there is any faulty in the stacking. So right after the stacking, we have the preheating. The preheating is done on both extremities of the die cut. And right after that, we have a very important part, which is the ultrasonic sealing. That's what you can see here. And next, the paper will be fed into this part, this section of the machine. And what happens here is, first on the other side is the fitting of the bottom. The bottom will be fed and then linked to the die cut paper that had been formed previously. It will be linked, and what happens after that is the preheating of the bottom. Once the bottom has been preheated, the next part is the knurling. The knurling of the bottom. Now we can move next. And after the knurling of the bottom, you have your paper box almost all ready. So right after that, what happens is basically the curling of the top of the paper. So that is what will happen in this section. You have the curling of the top of the paper in order to have that rolled shape. And here, as you can see, is our control panel. With this control panel, you have a view of the whole production, right? If there is any faulty, then your faulty paper cup will be discharged through this system, right? And that's also where your paper cup that's not faulty will be discharged. But there is a difference, as you can see here on the top. You have two ways, right? Next. Can we have a closer look at this? Let's have a closer look at this section. What you can see here is the lubrication with the oil. That's what is done before the curling of the top. And here we have the discharge of the bottom, the left of it. This one is, as you can see here, have a close look here. This is the roll of paper, right? This is what we use in order to form the bottom of the paper, right? As you can see, it will be fed into the machine, right? And we'll get to that section where it will be linked to the previously formed paper, right? And before the link, after the linking, what happens is the preheating. And right after that, like we said, it's the knurling. Okay. And after all the paper will be discharged to this section. So this is your final product. This is what you get. Okay. What happened was first the fitting of this part, the die-cutted paper. And then we had the ultrasonic sealing, and right after the ultrasonic sealing, we had the bottom and the knurling, and right after that, what happened was the curling of the top of the box. There you have your paper box ready for you to use.
Hello guys, after paper cup making, and then it's paper leaf making. Here is the paper leaf making machine. The first is roll paper, and then greasing and cutting. Then it's counting. Next step is heating, revolving, and heating again. After that is knurling, and then finally the paper leaf is now let's see the machine running.
这一次我真的睡着了。